Whoa! Me general, Likkle man, them on it. Hot, eat that youth. Eat that youth. Eat that youth. Eat that youth. Walla, you cannot now pass it, so we see Likkle man that get it, yo. Walla. Wow, Likkle man got the youth. If you smart them something the youth. You know, make them think they're passing you. Look. If you smart. If you smart them something there, brother, you know, if you make them something they're passing, Likkle man. No, Likkle man, I want to your dog. You play with the thing, youth. And just got you. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, and I'm back with another video, guys. Now I'm finna react to Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addi UTG. I understand my Vybz Cartel to son them, hear them official music videos. Me I say, and based on what I see so far, and in a Jamaican shoot, is me I say them Likkle man, I post with some woman, some fat sexy woman, and some big car, some rose rice, and me I say wait. You see me? I think so. I say something about Europe. You see me? I say, what's my name? Soul Flow TV. I say my name. Yeah. I never see them man they react to music videos and them thing there. But they do everything anyway. So yeah. So we're gonna react to the music video, guys. So under 10,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to the channel. We post every day over here, so people. Sometimes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times for the day because I'm someone consistent with the thing. You see me? So if you want a video for watch every day on YouTube, you're in the right place if you're not subscribed yet. Like the video, people. We need that video for go trending one of them there, yeah. So like that video, yeah. Alright, forward. Doesn't mean I say. Alright, let's see what I'm going on now. Wow. Yeah. What on there? Wait there. So them two come on here. A program girl thing, dog. Them two come on them younger than me, dog. I program the girl thing, dog. No, I'm jealous now. I ready and the video just start, brother. Them two come on here. Them two come on here, dog. In a mansion. Look at what wait. Why your head down in the corner, so? What? I want go on. Hey, forward door. Got you. Wow. Wow. We like those, man. Wow. Wow. Bumbuckle belt, them they not gonna pass me, so we like those. Ladies, I'm just walking a slow motion for me now, please. I'm just walking a slow motion. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Alright. Wow. Wow. Just walking a slow motion for me now, please. Alright. Alright. Look at what I go for the video now. You mean Likkle man them at it.
You hear them?
Wow.
You hear them?
Yeah, me hear them, but me see the girls them. People, I don't see them girls, yeah. I know me don't see them girls, yeah, dog. Why me never react to that video instantly? Why me not react to that video the first time I see it, man? You take a train already, dog. I'm late. But me hear them, dog. Got you?
You hear them?
Yeah?
You hear them? Yesterday I be man pull up on my gate.
Yeah?
4 girl jump out pretty face.
Hold on, wait. Likkle man, what you gonna do with the girl them, dog? If you send them come give me, dog. Me don't show me them in their misery. You say if you want to know me, dog, me their misery. Send the girl them far. Send them over here, so dog. Send them come. Tell them Tyrekevlogs there. Tell them to come to Tyrekevlogs, dog, because you're gonna pose with them in a music video, dog. And me gonna start them what the right with your dog. You can't have some. You see me, I say? Yeah. But send it.
Them there for a minute and a wait.
Yeah.
Girl in the ticket, them must say it is a date.
Yeah.
Well, we are go. Ministry.
Wow, I want the tick door. But she have a Friday. No man, wait, see her there? See her there? Me see it. That now pass me. Bring your ass back here, girl. Where's it at?
Well,
wait there. Wow. You have a nice little forehead there, my friend. Me not lie. You thick and everything, you know, but you have a pretty forehead. She have a nice little forehead, huh? Me not lie, me see it and how you see it too, don't? Alright, forward. Go done talk.
Ministry. We are doing right, that's so
wow. Wow. Where are body shapes though? Wait. Bring your ass back. Body shape are weird, dog. What she there?
Where you want drink, where you want
If you not get where? They put on the case today. Bumbo clean down. Me want to see her, she not get where. Why body shape away?
Jump out pretty face. Say them there for a minute and a wait.
Brother, yo.
UTG.
Ready?
You hear them?
Alright, yeah, we hear them, dog.
Yesterday I be my pull up on my gate.
Yeah.
4 girl jump out pretty face. Say them.
You know, sir, I want to get it from me, in the dog. Me no like when them get to it, I'm like. You know we like the girls, but the girls don't watch the music video them for. People know the song. If you want your song, go watch a full video. You see me? I say, I don't know things, so I react to it, so I come for the react to and do my thing. You understand me? Yeah, but I want to see that girl, she feel she get to it, you know.
Say them there for a minute and a wait. Calendar ticket, them must say it is a date. Where we a go? Me no straight. We a do it right. Yes.
See there, your box say, you think more to catch your blood clot? That shape now, she look alright, man. Just little jeans set away upon her body, you look good. That's a little man. You have to spank them something, the dog. Oh, I did not teach you right. You have to spank them, the youth. Not because they're younger, that you have to beat up them something, the youth. I want to you. Anyways, got you.
So we a play.
Yeah.
Where you want drink, where you want taste.
Yeah.
UTG, that me say straight.
Yeah.
You hear them, better them will be. We love ya, Addi.
Oh, we love your tie. Me, them love. Bumbuckle belt. That one that look bad. What go on? The girl them look good one. I'm not lying. Me like the flow. I'm just supposed to rate my record and I go on my antics already, people. Video bad. You see me, I say the man do them thing. But I don't know me stay. That my energy, but. Charlotte one here. She call me, you know. She talk to me, you know. You can look on her. She look straight, dead ass at me. Me see you. Me know you want me see you. Me see you. You happy? Alright, go show now.
We love ya,
Tyrekejt. Whoa! Me general, come on, them on it. Hot, eat that youth. Eat that youth. Walla, you cannot that pass it, so we still come on and get it, yo. Walla. Wow, little man, God, the youth. If you smart them, something the youth. You don't make them think they're passing you. Look. If you smart them, something the brother, you don't make them something they're passing, little man. No, little man, I want to your dog. You play with the thing, youth. And let's got you. Wow. Yeah, what? Bumbuckle belt.
Them love vibes too.
Here comes Tyrekejt. I said I want to sound like him for that and not lie. Anyways, we go back a little bit. Come on here, what you say straight up and forward in the dog. You see me, I say. Ready? Are you ready for this? People like the video from not like the video yet. You like the video yet? You like it yet? You ram put the thing too, you ram put the bumbuckle belt thing too, you want to know violate the thing in the dog. You like the video yet? Alright, forward.
Them love vibes too. Protex make me cool, send hypes too. Every occasion we rise to, we drive to. But we born great, so it not go surprise you.
Hey boy, young man. See girl in the bath, yo, girl in the shower, wait for your young man. Go mash works, tell Cameron say, yo, lock off this bumbuckle belt, make a do little something and come back. Girl is like, wait for your brother, warm to your dog, girl, soap up and study, wait for you in the bathtub, little man. Youth. Yeah, you're generous, I'm not kind of little man, you're general, but you don't know that. Come on, no, man. You can't make them girls jelly go on, so brother, you're not go out with nothing, dog. Yo. No, man. In the waist. Forward, man. Forward where?
Europe, America, and the Caribbean. Going on the classic.
Them get a bad.
Versace pants and Louis V jacket. Money in a pocket and a wallet. You hear them? Better them will be.
Yeah, man, sang Ashe. Oh, are you really for real? I'm jealous. MD, are you Europe? You saw me there. MD, are you Europe for real? Wish me could have got Europe. In due time, like if there's something can go Europe too. You see me, I say, comment on the video. Comment some more things you know I'm react to. Comment some funny videos, guys. You see me, I say, want to start react to some funny videos too. I have a few people recommend me, I go drop them later in the week. You see me? Go through. Rose rice?
You hear them, better them will be.
Yeah. Rose, what? Completely come on like you must see a man. Mama say if you ever touch one of them girl, like I got the man the mother said that. If you ever touch one of them girl, a problem. You try to stand up and make she do her thing and you don't touch her body, you don't touch no weapon her. You see me I say? I like that the mother said dog. Yo, Shorty say, hey, he say if you ever touch one of them girl upon them body, you sleep out at door tonight. Ayo, cause the man them not touch them with the dog. They might touch them with her. But no dance pan them, they must sing same and proper. I don't see about your shake part, me no, but I don't see it. Got you.
Girls love we, cause we clean and fine, we not ugly.
What you want to keep my dream?
It's not the public. World boss, I feel love how we run this.
Yeah, man. Man, father must pro down on dog. He must pro dog. He must prod. He must pro down on dog. Guess me I say. Yeah, man. But I saw that video, the long dog. In that case, I'm going no time now for go watch them video now. You see me I say? I react to it enough. Only can go watch the rest of the video on them channel. Yeah, man, because I don't want Joe to take a whole lot of time. You see me I say? And you don't know if you give credit to credit due, so I don't go pre-demand them video. You see me? I don't know watch the rest of the video. I watch the rest of the video. Alright, follow, watch some more video.
Girls love we, cause we clean and we fine, we not ugly.
Yeah.
Star like 5G is not the public.
What?
World boss, I feel love how we run this. Not joking. Yeah.
No, I'm jealous. You know what? I'm going to watch the rest of the video on them channel. It's been a boy, Ty, guys. Thank y'all for checking out my video. Please subscribe to the channel if y'all are new. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. You see me I say? You see me? We'll start post 2 days a day because I honestly need more one place right now. Just left it right there. So you see me I say? Run up my numbers for the video of them people.